Are you looking forward to use WhatsApp new reserve username feature? Then you're on the right video. Well, WhatsApp has just updated a new feature where you can enter your username like you enter it on Instagram and Facebook. This way, people will be able to find you easily. So make sure that your application is up to date. After that, move into WhatsApp. Once you are logged in into your specific account, at the very top, you will see the option or the feature where it says usernames are coming soon. Keep your phone number private with a username. Reserve yours. Click on it. In order for you to create a username, tap on Create Username. Or you can also use the username of Instagram and Facebook as well. Let me move into Create Username for now. Now in this section, enter the username that you want to create. There you go, the username has already been reserved. Now you have to enter a new one, or you can tap on Suggest a username and get a new username. Now once you're ready to reserve your username, tap on Save at the top right corner of the screen. After that, your username will be reserved. And once this update comes in, this username will be set to your account and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.